Hello, welcome to Braids by CJ Beauty. So today I'll be teaching you how to make V-boots. This is one of the recommended hairstyles, school hairstyles in Lagos schools. So please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. Now let's get into it. Okay, and this is our hair. That's our hair is natural. Is a natural hair. Alright. So because I'll be making a brush hair there, so I do like to apply some edges. This is not necessary. I just feel like to apply some edge controls around the hair because we're making a very one big braid round around the hair. So now we'll be parting the hair. Or try make a V cut or U cut. Yeah. There's two ways you can achieve this. I will show you a picture illustration on the other pattern you can use to do this. So but I want to use this this cutting, this pattern for this hairstyle because that's other pattern I've done it a lot of times, so I decided to use this one. So when you're done with your cutting, this is what it will look like. All right, I started from the middle side. Middle is from the center of the hair to cut around the hair. So today I'll be using this braiding style. Didi, this is my first time of trying this braiding style. Anybody in Lagos will know Didi. The braiding style is Didi, like is braiding from the inside, or what do I call it? But it's called Didi. Instead of the normal braiding style, you braid from on the net, or you braid from your braid will be staying inside instead of coming out. So that's the pattern I'll be using. I'll be doing Didi today. So this is my first try of Didi, so don't judge us. I know how you see it, you take it like that. So okay, let me do my Didi today. If you look at my hands placements, you know that this is a learner. Okay. Wow, I'm actually amazed at myself. I can't believe I did that. Well, let's see how this goes. I'm actually doing it. All right, so I made it to the end. I didn't actually give up. Okay. Okay. Now let's start with the other thing. Now we're going to divide the hair into two. You can actually start from the center to divide, but I feel like I should divide by the side. So we are dividing into two. After dividing, we're gonna be plating a clapping style like patewa. So that means we're gonna be plating patewa all through to the front. So we are done with the first side of the hair. So we are repeating the same thing we did by the side to the other side. Okay, you should manage my voice today, because I would have put music, but every music I put my videos, YouTube is saying is copyright, so I really don't have their strength. So you should be managing my voice, and where I have nothing to say, I will just keep quiet, and you will manage my environment and the noise. Okay, so keep watching and subscribe to our channel. Check our videos, check our pages on Instagram at Braids by CJ Beauty Empire, on TikTok Braid by CJ Beauty. We are everywhere on social media. Alright, okay, let's keep going. Don't know, this is my first time I was doing a very long video. I feel like because I know myself, I can't watch something that is too long, but I don't know, some people say, please can you put full tutorial, full video, make it slow and all that. So I feel like I should actually listen to the voice of my fans. This will be a little bit long. Okay, I do like you to see all the process to the end. That's what I'm trying to do. We are almost there. We are already there. So you must not put all those curving things I put on this side, all those things. I just like it seems like I'm obsessed with curving, so you can just make it although just normal braiding. So don't mind me, I just doing my thing. I like all those curve on head. So we have come to the end of it, and this is our style. It's actually a very beautiful hairstyle. A very beautiful hairstyle. So I'm going to slick my edges, and this is our end product. Oh, don't forget to tell me what you think about the video. Don't forget to leave your comments. We do appreciate your comments, we do appreciate your likes, we do appreciate your shares. Always check on our videos. We update often, so check our pages for all protective styles for schools, trending styles for your kids, and adult styles. All right, hit on the subscribe button and please subscribe to our channel because we need it to grow our page. Thank you for watching. See you next time. See you next week. Bye.